Hello friends, welcome to Pathshala. I hope you are all doing well. In previous session, we discussed the respiration process along with its mechanism and equation. We learned the aerobic respiration along with the anaerobic respiration process. In today's session, we will discuss the respiration process or the gaseous exchange that took place in the plant cell. So, our today's topic is exchange of gases in plants. Each and every cell of plant respires, like the cells in leaves, the cells in flowers, fruits, stems, roots, each and every part and each and every cell of plant all respires. And this respiration process or the respiration event done by the diffusion process, the simple diffusion process. So, the plant cell respire through the diffusion process. This is very important. The diffusion process means the movement of the ingredients from higher concentration region to lower concentration region. The parts associated with the gaseous exchange in plant cells are, first one is stomata in leaves. We already discussed what is stomata in the topic photosynthesis. Second one is lenticels that found in woody stems. Now what is lenticell? Lenticels are nothing but the openings, like small pores or small openings that present in woody stems. Now let us discuss the stomata. Stomata is the opening that present in green areas of plant, like in leaves or in green stem. The stomatal opening is guarded by two guard cells. This is stomata, and these two are guard cells. So stomata is guarded by the guard cells, and the concentration gradient or the pressure indicates the guard cells or regulates the guard cells, and also controls the guard cells closing and opening. The third one is root hair. Plant also respire through the root hair. So let us discuss one by one in detail. First, I talk about the root hair. Plant cells have an epidermal cell layer all over its outer surface. So, root also have the epidermal cell in its outer surface. In root hair region, the epidermal cell have a finger-like projections like this. Finger-like projections known as root hair. Root is present in soil, as we all know. So, there are soil components or soil particles present along with some air spaces. So these empty spaces are called air sacs. So there are many air sacs present in soil. Next, the soil also contains some capillary water. What? Soil also contains some capillary water also. So the oxygen present in the air sac, the oxygen present in this air sacs diffuses into the root hair. Root hair don't have any cuticle layer on it or waterproofing layer onto its surface. So that is why the oxygen present in this air sacs simply diffuses into the root hair cells. Another thing is the carbon dioxide that present in these root cells, or that should the carbon dioxide that should be eliminated from these cells simply diffuses out into the soil via this simple diffusion process. Next is the lenticell. So all mechanisms are same, means in lenticell or in stomata or in root hair, the mechanism is same. So the woody stem, there are small openings known as lenticells. So the air diffuses in, or the oxygen present in air diffuses in through these lenticells, and the carbon dioxide that should be eliminated from the plant cell diffuses out from these lenticels via the simple diffusion process. In leaves or in green stems, what happened is these stomata that are guarded by these guard cells. So the air or the oxygen, when the oxygen gradient of oxygen is higher in atmosphere, or when the plant need oxygen, the oxygen simply diffuses in through the stomatal opening, and the other cells that are present in surrounding the stomata carried the oxygen to the other innermost cells. In the same process, the carbon dioxide is also eliminated from this stomatal opening. The respiration process is the rate of respiration becomes higher at night time, but in daytime, due to the presence of sunlight, the photosynthesis process occurs, so the rate of respiration becomes slightly slower. And in daytime, the carbon dioxide that eliminated out, or that eliminated by the plant cells via respiration process, taken up by their own body due to this photosynthesis event. So in daytime, the carbon dioxide diffusion, or the carbon dioxide won't diffuses out through the plant cells, but in night time the respiration process or the rate of respiration becomes higher than in the daytime. So plants don't have any definite respiratory organ in its body. All the cells of plants do the respiration process. There are stomata in leaves or in green stems, lenticels in woody stems, and the root hair present in root does the major role in respiration or exchange of gases in plants. Thank you so much for today's session. We will meet in next session with the topic animal respiration. Thank you so much.